For the Nespresso Vertuo, on the bottom of the pods, this is actually a barcode around the outside. So if your machine is acting up by just pulsing the amber cup on the top, up here you'll see this cup light up, and when you push it, it'll try to spin a little bit, but nothing will come out. So you need to run a cleaning cycle. Not the descaling cycle, but a cleaning cycle, because in here it gets all dirty. So there's no way to go in to clean it manually. Instead, what you do is you close your machine, you wait for it to heat up. So right now, while it's heating up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up the water tank. Once the machine finishes heating up, the white cup button will be solid. So I got the water tank in position, and you hit this 3 times within a few seconds, like 1, 2, 3. And then you place a cup underneath, have a secondary cup handy just in case you need to switch it. It's going to use about half the tank of water. I also recommend, if it's really dirty, to put a towel underneath, because it might spill on the machine and run down on the counter. Now that we've activated the cleaning cycle, you can see the light up here. It's flashing amber, and it's going to be rotating slowly. You can see already how it's making a little bit of a mess over here on the machine, running down the machine, because the revolution at the rate of speed at which it's spinning is slow and then faster, and then slow and then faster. As it spins slower, it's cleaning off the inner walls. It makes a little bit of a mess, especially if there's dirt in it. I mean, look at all those coffee grounds. And this is the second cleaning cycle that I'm running. Typically, you want to run this cycle about once a week to avoid any problems with your machine. So the cup is getting full. I didn't choose a large enough cup, so I'm just going to use a secondary cup. I'll put it under and transfer it just like that, and then I'll dump this one. But look at all of the dirt, the coffee grounds that built up in this machine. That's a lot of coffee grounds. So that's why I can't read the barcode when it's trying to spin this around and read the barcode. The coffee grinds are blocking the reader, and it can't read to know what speed to spin this cup for making whatever drink that you're trying to make. So I just dumped this one. You remember how dirty that one looked? You can see this one is much cleaner looking. So I think that's pretty well good now. Now we can test the machine by making an espresso drink. So as you'll notice up here, the light now is stopped spinning and the light is just pulsing. It's basically reheating the machine again. And I'm going to put in a capsule here. I'm going to use an old capsule just for testing purposes. And we'll lock it, and then we put our cup underneath here and push the button. Before, it wouldn't let us make a drink at all. Now that the barcode is going to be readable, we've gotten rid of all that dirt, it can make the drink.